In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change security questions in Yahoo Mail, or more accurately, what to do now that Yahoo Mail no longer supports security questions. So if you were looking for a security question setting inside Yahoo, don't worry, you're not doing anything wrong. Yahoo have moved away from security questions and now uses other recovery options to help protect your account. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your mailbox, look at the top corner of the page and click your profile icon. This is usually where you'll find account-related settings and security options. After clicking your profile icon, select Manage Your Account. This will take you to your Yahoo account settings page, where you can control important account details, privacy options, and security features. On this page, you want to go to the security section. Now here's the important part. Since Yahoo Mail no longer supports security questions, you will not find a place to edit or change them. Instead, Yahoo encourages you to strengthen your account using recovery methods like a recovery email address and a recovery phone number. These options are much more modern and easier to use if you ever need to recover access to your account. So in the security section, look for the recovery email option and the phone number option. If either one is missing, outdated, or incorrect, this is the best time to update it. Click the Edit or Update option next to the recovery email, then enter an email address you can access regularly. This helps Yahoo verify your identity if you ever get locked out. Next, update your recovery phone number if needed. A current phone number can be very useful for receiving security codes and account alerts. Make sure the number is correct, active, and tied to a device you actually use. After entering the new information, save your changes. If you still don't see security settings right away, take a moment to scroll through the account page carefully. Yahoo sometimes organizes settings differently depending on the device, browser, or account type. If you're using a mobile device, it may be easier to switch to a desktop browser for a clearer view of the full account security menu. Another useful tip is to make sure your password is strong and unique. Since Yahoo now relies on recovery methods instead of security questions, your password becomes even more important. If you haven't changed it in a while, consider updating it to a stronger password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Also, if Yahoo offers two-step verification on your account, that is a great feature to enable. It adds an extra layer of protection and makes it harder for someone else to access your account even if they know your password. Turning that on is one of the best ways to improve account security. So to recap, you cannot actually change security questions in Yahoo Mail because Yahoo Mail no longer uses them. Instead, go to your profile icon, click Manage Your Account, open Security, and update your recovery email and phone number. That is the correct and current way to secure your Yahoo account. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.